Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn Italian for Fun. I am Uncle Jack, and today as well, we'll try to learn some words in Italian, while trying to have a bit of fun. Today, we're going to watch a great action movie and science fiction Terminator. Actually, today it doesn't even seem that much like science fiction. The evolution of robotics and today's artificial intelligence makes the film very relevant. Remember that you too can choose your favorite movie, where to look for the words to translate. But we'll talk about this at the end of the video. And for those who are still wondering, here's how it works. We'll watch together the movie trailer. We'll focus on some scenes that inspire us, looking for something interesting to translate. There are no rules. Let's keep our eyes open and let's get inspired. You're free to share your thoughts in the comments, your impressions of the movie, if you liked it or if you've never seen it either. More or less after 10 words. Let's stop. Let us start. Here we are in front of the movie poster. Let's get started right away.
In the 21st century.
It's not very clear, and the quality of the images, it's low. In short, it was the 80s. Let's take a look at this targeting site, an image that perhaps slightly overlaps with what the viewer is looking at. In this case, it's green. Mirino. Mirino.
A weapon will be invented like no other. This weapon will be powerful, versatile, and indestructible.
We have elements that are clearly and evenly well spread out throughout the entire image, creating a balanced composition. For the time, they were really great special effects. Fulmini. Fulmini.
Can't be reasoned with. It can't be bargained with. It will feel no pity, no remorse, no pain, no fear.
No fear indeed. For many years, we have imagined ourselves these futuristic scenes. And thinking about it, we're not that far off.
It will have only one purpose: to return to the present and prevent.
A pretty difficult word indeed, actually. Cingolato, the tracked vehicle. Cingolato. This machine, usually a tank, typically a tank, that has tracks instead of wheels. In this case, we can indeed say cingolato.
The future. This weapon will be...
Our protagonist, he's carefully loading the rifle with a cartridge. Specifically, it's a pump-action rifle, so it's slightly different from a pistol cartridge. But the word is cartridge. Cartuccia.
Called the Terminator.
You're dead, honey.
We could give a lot of meanings to this expression. But let's choose angry, arrabbiato. Here's just another word. This is quite common, all things considered. We can see them in our city. Unlike the Terminator, we have right on top of the police car the lampeggianti. These are the lights that change color between red and blue. In Italy, they are very similar. They're not a single bar, they are often individual. Lampeggianti.
What day is it? The date!
12th May, Thursday.
What year?
Why didn't you know the plot of the movie? This character, along with the Terminator, they go back in time. It's not a spoiler. It's at the beginning of the movie. This information, among other things, is asking for the date specifying the year. Clearly, he obviously does not know what time he's in. Let's be honest, today's trailers are a bit nicer. It's a bit slow.
I'm here to help you. I'm Reese, DN 38416, assigned to protect you.
Here we use the situation. The character is giving a avvertimento. So a warning to our Sarah Connor, who is indeed the target of the Terminator. This is also not a spoiler. It's right at the beginning of the movie. Avvertimento. She is warning her of what will happen to her.
You've been targeted for termination.
Nice and clear. Pugno. The Terminator in this case with the appearance of Arnold Schwarzenegger with a punch to the windshield. Pugno.
What does it want me? Why me?
We have the wheel that skids on the asphalt and makes a skid. The word is sgommata. Very often it's a kind of test of strength of the driver of the vehicle, in this case the motorcycle. Sgommata.
Arnold Schwarzenegger is the Terminator.
This word has to be here. Terminator. I'm basically saying it in English because it has really entered in our way of speaking. There's no real translation. Actually, it's Terminator. It's a word that isn't used. No one uses it. Instead, we use the word Terminatore to indicate how it breaks everything.
Your future is in its hands.
The trailer is over. We can stop here. A movie I recommend. The trailer has aged terribly. The movie is watchable in a slightly more pleasant way, but it's a great classic. We think of our generation to this film, thinking about the evolution that's there of artificial intelligence. So of Skynet from the movie, which will then take control of the world. It's a scenario, all in all, not so impossible to achieve. We've reached the end of the trailer. They are there as always, so many interesting words that we could translate, but a choice has to be made. We can stop here for today. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. In the comments, you can insert those words that we didn't choose together and that you find interesting. If you suggest enough of them, we can also put them all together and revisit the trailer, focusing specifically on the ones you've chosen. Who knows if we'll end up like in the movie? Every now and then, I think about it. Finally, if you also want to choose your favorite movie, you can join our club. For more information, visit the website Learn Italian for Fan Club. That's all for today. Subscribe to the channel, give it a nice like, and if you really liked the video, share it. Finally, always remember that to learn Italian, it's essential to have fun, or it doesn't work. See you soon. Welcome to the end card of the video, where we will provide a brief summary of the words we have chosen. They are divided into 3 groups, based on pronunciation difficulty, or their frequency of use. In the Italian language, the easy ones are commonly used or short. The difficult ones, if you learn them, they will enrich your vocabulary in a really important way. In the middle, all the others, which is always better to know. Eccole. Mirino. Facile. Fulmini. Intermedio. Cingolato. Intermedio. Cartuccia. Facile. Arrabbiato. Facile. Lampeggianti. Difficile. Avvertimento. Difficile. Pugno. Facile. Sgommata. Difficile. Terminator. Invariata.